Hello, this is meteorologist John Wettenkamp with the National Weather Service in La Crosse, Wisconsin, and here's a look at your severe weather briefing. Severe thunderstorms are possible Saturday evening across much of the area. Damaging winds will be the main threat from these storms. However, we cannot rule out some large hail and perhaps an isolated tornado, especially across northwest into north central Wisconsin. Main impacts from these storms will be tree and roof damage, so those outdoors will be especially susceptible to these damaging winds. Those, such as campers, should be ready to seek safe shelter if these storms approach your location. There has been a slight adjustment to the timing. We're expecting these storms to arrive a little bit later than previous forecasts. We're currently looking at that 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. time frame. So storms are expected to move into locations along and west of the Mississippi River in the 6 to 7 p.m. time frame, then shifting into western and central Wisconsin into the mid and late evening hours. The higher chances for severe weather will be across north central into northwest Wisconsin, with severe weather possible closer to the Interstate 90 corridor. Then those storms should be on a weakening trend as they work off to the southeast. Risk level from tornadoes, they are possible, especially across northwest and north central Wisconsin. Cannot rule out an isolated tornado in those areas. Damaging winds will be the most probable hazard. We also could see some large hail and perhaps brief heavy downpours, which could lead to localized flooding, especially in poor drainage areas. So in summary, the most probable hazards and impacts from these thunderstorms would be damaging winds, where we could see some tree and roof damage, so those outdoors, such as campers, should be ready to seek shelter if storms approach your location. Current thinking on timing is we'll see these storms move into the area Saturday evening between 6 p.m. and then those storms would continue through 12 a.m. exiting to the east. The storms look to develop closer to Interstate 35 in Minnesota and Iowa, and then they expect it to race off to the east and southeast. So be weather aware on Saturday and monitor forecasts closely, especially if you have any outdoor plans. Thanks for watching. For additional information, see our internet homepage or check us out on social media.